This video is a driving and walking tour of the Riegelsville Bridge over the Delaware River. Nearby on the Pennsylvania side is the Riegelsville Inn, built in 1838, currently an upscale restaurant and pub featuring American cuisine with French influence. Before we take the walking tour over the bridge, I'm going to take you for a drive first. We're going to speed it up a little bit just to get across quicker. Unfortunately, it was a very windy day when I decided to take the walk across this bridge. I only had my cell phone with me, so the footage I have is taken from that device. As you can see, walking across this bridge, even in the foot traffic lane, not only are you very close to the road itself, but all you have to do is step over a relatively low area of certain parts of the cable, and you're right there on the road. Those metal guide rails, a lot like you see in car washes, are really all that keeps any vehicle from hitting the bridge or hitting any of the cables. This bridge does have a 3-ton weight limit, and on either side there's a guard shack. Honestly, I've never seen a large vehicle try to go across this. Perhaps they have an early warning system I'm not aware of. Either that or the guards are very attentive. So here we are on the Powhatan Township side in New Jersey. It's a very rural area of the town. It's also the town that Phillipsburg Mall is located in. There's just not very much development on the other side of the bridge. I enjoy walking across these bridges connecting New Jersey and Pennsylvania, mostly because they're all of very interesting architecture. This bridge in particular, the Riegelsville Bridge, was originally built in 1904 by the Roebling Company, which is the same company that built the Brooklyn Bridge. It's a 2-cable suspension structure with stiffening trusses. The abutments and piers were originally all rubble stone-faced masonry filled with stone and built on timber crib foundations. The 1936 flood damaged one of the piers, and it's been reconstructed since using reinforced concrete. Prior to this bridge being there, in 1837 they constructed a wooden covered bridge which got wiped out in a 1903 flood, and thus the bridge you see today has been around for over 100 years. It's been rehabbed a couple times, it's been upgraded a little bit, but it still has that 3-ton weight limit. And after this little walkthrough video, once we get back to Riegelsville, stay tuned for a little extra. We're going to go over the Milford Bridge, which connects Upper Black Eddy in Pennsylvania to Milford, New Jersey. I continued on through Powhatan Township, continuing south until I reached Milford, New Jersey. The historic Canal House Station is positioned on the south side of Bridge Street on the New Jersey side. From Milford, New Jersey, the bridge connects Bridge Street over to Route 32 in Pennsylvania in Upper Black Eddy, Bucks County. The bridge boasts a 55-ton weight limit, which is currently the heaviest load permitted on a free bridge across the Delaware River.